Shoog!
Boog, what's wrong?
Yeah, man, you're all weepy-peepy and stuff. What? Kids!
It's raining, and I wanted to play outside. Oh, the thunder isn't helping, Annie.
Oh, Boog, there's nothing to be scared of. Rain is a good thing. It helps the flowers and trees grow.
It's nature's way of giving them a drink.
It is?
No, it sure is. Rain makes everything better.
It doesn't make playing outside any better. I'll get all wet.
Hey, Boogie Woogie! You want to know what I do when it's raining and I want to play outside? I sing a song.
You sing a song?
I sing a song.
You're silly.
No, I'm not. It's a really good song.
Why don't you sing it for us? I would love to hear it.
Okay, here goes. Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. The little boogie wants to play. Rain, rain, go away.
Wow, the rain is going away. You didn't say it was a magic song.
See, I told you it was a good song.
It's a great song, but it's still drizzling out. Maybe it's broken.
It's not broken, silly. It just needs some juice. Why don't we all sing it together?
Anything if it'll make that rain go away.
Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. We all want to go out and play. Rain, rain, go away. Yeah.
Yay! That was so cool.
Oh, that's great, Jenna. That song made all the rain go away.
Now we can go out and play!
Wait! It's time for my favorite TV show.
Oh, Boog, you're so goofy.
I just love the Boog N Shoog show.
He knows it's on YouTube, right?
Wow! That was so fun!
Oh, that was a blast, Boog.
It sure was. Hey, kids, don't forget to check out every one of our Boog N Shoog videos.
Because we're making a lot of them for you.
And don't forget to subscribe.
Yay, subscription!
Yay!